Hello, welcome back to Simple Vegan Recipes. So we're gonna try a coconut banana pudding. And for this recipe, it's really simple. All you need is one medium banana, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla or vanilla extract, 1 can of coconut milk, 1/4 of a cup of organic cane sugar, and 2 pinches of sea salt. You can also add coloring, whatever coloring you want to add to it. But for this recipe, we're going to leave the coloring out. So we're going to take those ingredients, put them in the blender, and we're going to blend it until it's creamy and smoothie. Okay, so all the ingredients are in the blender. So we're going to blend this. Okay, so we're done. Okay, so now we're gonna place it in this pot and we're gonna boil it until it is kind of have a little thickness to it. So let's do this. Okay, so it has come to a boil. So I'm gonna pour it in this bowl and I'm gonna let it sit for an hour before I put it in the refrigerator for overnight. Okay, so this is our coconut banana pudding. I have garnished it with some cinnamon, some banana, and as I always do, encourage you to try those recipes and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.